Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to see how many streams a song has on Spotify. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open up the Spotify mobile app. Tap on the search button at the bottom. Then tap on the search bar up top and search for any artist you want. For example, I'm going to select Taylor Swift. So Taylor Swift is the most streamed artist on Spotify as of the time of this recording. You can also see her popular songs over here. According to this section, his most popular song has 128,681, 3,509 streams on Spotify as of right now. And then the second popular song has 15,778,946,774 streams. To see how many streams a song has, it needs to be in the popular section of the artist's profile. When you scroll down, you can also see popular albums. You can go to any artist's profile and see the number of streams they have for their popular songs. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.